double-walled storage tanks KTD-F-A are made of stainless steel or steel with an internal coating. They are used to supply machines and aggregates with diesel, heating oil, gasoline, or aqueous urea solution. The KTD-F-As are available in 10 standard sizes, from 1,000 litres to 38,000 litres, and in 4 special sizes, from 50,000 to 96,000 litres. The characteristic feature of the tank is its cubic structure. This guarantees effective use of space. The KTD-F-A tank can be easily transported with a forklift or with a crane using the lifting eyes. Thanks to the newly designed floor assembly, installation and fastening is particularly easy. Anchor bolts can be used to fix the foundation. The KTD-F-A tanks are robustly designed, and with the special series KTD-F-A-EBZ, they can also be used in earthquake zones 1 to 3. The KTD-F-A-UR series is suitable for storing urea up to a media density of 1.2, and the most extreme version, KTD-F-A-HW, can also be used in areas at risk of flooding. The KTD-F-A can also be used for storing highly flammable media such as gasoline. Special tank fittings and sensors with EX certification are used for this. The KTD-F-A tanks are suitable for outdoor installation. The tank opening is closed with a cover to protect against moisture and vandalism. The multi-fix points are also practical. Railings for the roof can be installed here if required. The tightness of the tank is constantly checked by a vacuum leak detector, which, suitable for outdoor installation, is housed in a protected waterproof housing. If the tank has a leak due to corrosion or damage, the leak detector immediately triggers an alarm. Here is an example of use. The KTD-F-A can be installed outside without a drip tray. The consumer, machine or generator is placed next to it. Then the supply lines from the KTD-F-A to the consumer are properly installed. For various applications, we optionally offer additional tank equipment for an additional charge: a level indicator, limit indicator, filling pipe, pump combination, or air vent with hood. Double-walled storage tanks KTD-F-A from Krampitz. Cubically good.